Hey everyone, I am back and this is part 3 of my epic swap with Rosanne. I hope you saw the first 2 parts. Just amazing. I'm just completely speechless and blown away. Everything is so beautiful, and this is the fabric book that we each made for each other. And she has wrapped it so beautifully in this gorgeous sari. And added this beautiful, look at this tassel, I mean, OMG. Everything is just so beautifully presented and just gorgeous. And thank you for this, more of this beautiful sari ribbon. I think I may gasp when I open this. I'm just letting you know that could happen. Oh my goodness, I see some of it already. I'm so excited. Look at this sari. Oh my gosh, I want to look at the sari for a minute, so I'm going to try and not look at it. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, let's look at the sari first. Look at this beautiful sari. Thank you so much for that, Rosanne. Look at the birds. I just noticed they're birds. Look at these. Oh, wow. Those are amazing. I love those. Oh my gosh, Rosanne. Thank you. It's beautiful and silk. And oh my goodness, there's going to be some gasping. Oh my gosh, it's one of Rosanne's gypsy books. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, did you make it in a heart too? That's hilarious. This came out, it's probably one of the pockets. Oh my goodness, we both made heart books. How funny is that? Wow, we were really on the same wavelength, just different things, because Rosanne said in her video that she would not make that type of a shabby book that she got for me, and this is something I would not make for me. So I'm so thrilled to have one of your boho gypsy books. I'm just, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. Where do I begin? Where do I begin? Oh, it's gorgeous. So she's made them into hearts, which I find wow, because I did too. And look at how she's done this. So there's some dyed bridal trim in the back here. I'm sure she's hand dyed those. And then there's a piece of this beautiful trim in the center here. It's all beaded. And then she's got this really cool fiber trim, which I love this fiber trim. I sent her some fiber trim in a different color, but similar to that, I think. Gorgeous, beautiful big piece of gold. An earring, I'm guessing that was. Some more fibers. Rhinestone. Flowers. Oh, look at this piece here. It's like, I don't know if that's ruby or black. But it's a very dark color. It's either black or very like a blood red. I can't tell in this light. I think it's black. That's beautiful. That's a gorgeous piece right there. And then more sari pieces, rolled roses, more dyed lace. I'm sure she dyed that. It's purple. Another earring. And then on the bottom here, she's got some dangles. Red. She's got one with a coin. She's got some beaded trim here. But look at what she's done with this seam binding. Like, what a great idea here. She's used it as a dangle. She's made a dangle with it. That is so cool. On both sides she's done that. What a great idea. And then she's got 2 black tassels here. Some green bling. Beautiful, another beautiful dangle piece there with a rhinestone. Oh my gosh, I love it. I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous and very lush. Oh my gosh, Rosanne, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, I want to hug it. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Rosanne. Okay, we're going to open it. Oh my gosh. Now this did come out, so I'll find where it goes, and it's a little tag, so I will find where this, oh, it's got your, that's why. It has all her information on it. Well, that's clever. I didn't do that with mine. Oh, that's a really cute idea. I just boringly stuck mine on. And this is a great idea. Look at how pretty. Such a tiny little satin image. And look at this tiny little bow she's tied here. My goodness. The details are just incredible. And there's a little rolled flower, some sari, this little beaded piece here, lace, some black trim with tulle. That's so cool. Thank you, Rosanne. My gosh, you guys, look at this. It's beautiful. Wow. These colors are just incredible. Oh my gosh. So red, as you can see, which I'm not a red person, but I love this because she's paired it with this plum color here and black, and it just, I don't know, it looks so amazing. It looks so amazing. So she's made this flower here, and she's got some leaves, and there's like a fiber pocket here, and she's added some goodies to the pocket. These doilies are beautiful. Did you make these, Rosanne? Oh, they're little heart doilies. Look at these. How cool. Oh my gosh. Those are beautiful. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Thank you for that, Rosanne. And this, I'm sure she's dyed this plummy color. She's got more of the bridal trim there. Some black with gold. And then there you can see how she's done the seam binding and then added the trim over top of it. That is such a good idea. I love these colors together. It's like a cinnamon color, a moss green, and an olive green. Oh, so pretty. That's gorgeous. Oh, Rosanne, I love it. I love it. And then on this page, she does the same as me, puts a pocket first. I always do a pocket first page. She's got this beautiful gypsy here. It says Spell on You. More of that beautiful gold and pearl and red. Yeah, she's definitely dyed these. You'll have to tell me what you used to get that color because I'm dying over that color. Haha, dying? No. I love this color. I love it. And then at the bottom, she's got all this beautiful fringe that just picks up on all the colors in the page. It's stunning. There's some red sequins and some beautiful red rose trim around the edge. Like, this is definitely something I would not make for myself, which is so cool. And I'm glad that I could do that for you, Rosanne, when you said that about my book, that you wouldn't make that for yourself. Like, it's great that we were able to do that for each other. Oh, I love it. There's some bling here and leaves. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not saying much because I'm just, like, in awe. It's so beautiful. Oh, my gosh. Look at this. Oh. And this is like purples and more of that beautiful plummy color. And she's made a rolled rose here, another beautiful image. And look at this green. This is like a forest green, almost. Wedding applique, and she's done that on both pages. More of that plummy colored wedding applique, and then all these beautiful flowers that she's cut up, and then she's put a rhinestone in each for bling. And I love how you take things apart like this and you use that trim to make what she calls her fuzzies. I love that. I love that. It just all works. It's amazing. And more around here from that trim that she takes apart. And then a beautiful applique under here with pearls. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. I'm just... And then in here, I think she's made a flower. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's a brooch. Oh my goodness, look at this. She's got blue velvet on the back, and that's got a little bit of card in it for stability. Lace, purple, turquoise, a doily, gold, blue, black and gold, olive green, doily. This looks like embroidery floss. How cool is that? What a great idea. And then some bling. I love that. Oh my gosh. That would look so great on a boho bag. Oh, I love that, Rosanne. Thank you so much. Oh, that's beautiful. And now you can see this beautiful, it's another pocket page. And she's done another little collage here with a rolled rose and some beautiful fibers, lace that she's dyed. And then she's added some sari here that she's kind of doubled over and gathered. And then underneath that, there's this beautiful trim, this beautiful beaded trim down here. I hope the camera will pick that up. Let me just lift that up there. You can see it right there. It's beautiful, like purple and orange. And then it's got more dyed trim here and some tassel trim here. And look how she's just sewn around the edge with some fabric and then pulled the fibers so it makes it look shabby. I love it. And there's some beautiful covered buttons there. And then some gorgeous purple lace under here. Absolutely stunning. And Rosanne has lots of tutorials on her channel as well on how she dyes her fabrics. I know I watched one quite a while ago now. She did in her kitchen where she was dyeing some laces using her sprays and food coloring and things. It was really cool to watch. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh, look at this page. It says love spell. Oh my gosh, it has a little kitty. I'm a cat person. I think she knows that. I have 2 cats. Oh my gosh, and oh look. Oh, she sent me some of that trim. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. That's the trim that was on the beautiful velvet bag she made. Oh my gosh, I feel so gypsy just looking at all of this. Oh, I love it. I love it. So on this page, she's sewn that fabric, more of her hand-dyed pieces here, and then she's made a heart pocket. Really cool idea. I love the kitty. Thank you for the kitty. More of her hand-dyed pieces here, some bling. Look at this trim at the bottom, this beautiful purple dangle. Look at this. I'll move that up a bit. This beautiful purple dangle trim at the bottom. It's just so lush. I love it. Oh my gosh. I'm going to be looking at this like all night. Oh my goodness. And then this page here. I love it. Another beautiful lady. She's playing a lute, I think they're called. Bling. Hot pink trim with the purple. Looks so good. And then she's made like a dangle piece here with this dyed applique and then all these beautiful fibers here. Oh my gosh. Some hearts, more of this gorgeous lace. And then underneath it she's got, look at this trim. She's got this beautiful dangle trim. She's got fibers, more lace. It's just beautiful. Look at all these pieces. And they all look so gorgeous together. And then there's some red applique there. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, Rosanne, it's amazing. It's amazing. Oops. And then on the back here, she's made another one of these beautiful flowers. And look at this trim. That's a trim with eyelash trim right in it. And then she's got all these little paillettes here. Oh, that's so pretty. I just love how you layered these to make these flowers. Like I never would have thought to just layer just circles. like that. And it's so simple and but so elegant and beautiful and cool at the same time. Like, I totally love that. I love it. And then she's got this purple fringe at the bottom. It's just absolutely stunning. And then she's got some sari trim on there, some silk seam binding. Sorry, I can't speak now because I'm in awe. And she bound it together with some red trim. So let me just walk you through this one more time. Oh, that got caught. There we go. Let me just walk you through it again. Oh, it's so amazing. It's so amazing. I hope I'm getting most of that in anyway. There's the bottom. There's the top. I mean, so many details, you know, so many details. Like, this is something I'm just going to so cherish. I have some shelves in my craft room where I keep my beautiful gifts from my friends and swaps and pieces, so that'll be going up there in a couple days because I need to look at this for a while. It's so cool. It's just so cool. Oh, Rosanne, you've done a spectacular job on it, and I feel so blessed and honored to have one of your beautiful gypsy books. I really do. I love it. I love everything you made. It's all beautiful and gorgeous and so very thoughtful and heartfelt, and I really want to thank you for that because this has just been such a fun swap and getting to know each other a little better and just sharing you know, our crafty goodies and our things that we like to make and stuff, and I just had a wonderful time swapping with you. So yes, I definitely would love to swap with you again sometime in the future. And I will cherish everything you sent me, and I'm going to really have fun playing with the goodies, and I will think of you when I'm making things with everything, and you've really given me some special pieces that I will definitely cherish forever. So thank you for that. That's just so wonderful. So guys, please go over and check out Rosanne's channel. You can see how talented she is. And subscribe to her if you're not subscribed, and support her store on Etsy. It's called A Mom's Impressions. And I will put the link to Rosanne's channel in the description box for you guys. If you're not subbed, please go over and do that. And Rosanne, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for the swap. It's just been absolutely epic and wonderful. And yeah, thank you. Mwah! Thank you so much. And I'll be back later with another video, guys. Thank you, Rosanne. Kisses. Bye.